In this video, I will show how to drag and drop pictures in PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint, minimize it as a side by side. Now open the folder where you have the pictures and also minimize it. Now drag and drop that one like this. Create multiple slides if you need it. And just drag and drop it. Select your slide and drag and drop. Also, you can insert multiple pictures. Select them and insert it. Now you can adjust it easily. Select and adjust them like this. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.